Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 12 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2342. Max sum of a pair with equal sum of digits. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given a zero indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. Okay, you can choose two indices I and j such that I should not be equal to j, and the sum of digits of the nums of I is equal to the nums of j. Okay, sum of digits of the number. Okay, we have to return the maximum value of nums of I plus nums of j that you can obtain over all possible indices I and j that satisfy the conditions. Okay, these conditions. Okay, so now see this example. 1 8. Okay, nums array given to us 1 8. What is sum of these two numbers? 1 plus 8 9. Okay, 4 and 3. What is the sum here? 7. Okay, 3 and 6. What is the sum here? 9. 1 3. What is sum here? 4. And here 7. Okay, so this is sum. Okay, so now here we have to select two indices. Okay, and that should be different. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so if I select this 0 and 2, both the indices are different, right? And sum of their digits 1 8 is 9, and here 3 6 is also 9. Okay, so both sum is 9. Okay, so now what is the summation of 18 plus 36? So if I do, so 18 plus 36, if I do, I will get something around 54. Okay, and here any two other indices, different indices where sum is same. So here it is 7, here it is 7. Okay, so that simply means indices 1 and 4. Okay, so 43 here, and we have 7 here. So if I add this, I will get something around 50, right? I will get 50 only, right? So out of this, what is max? 54 is max. Okay, so I am writing 54 here. This is my output. Okay, clear? Now see this example number 2. So here this is 1, this is 3, sum of digits. Here it is 9 plus 1, 10, 10. Okay, 10 plus 1, so you can write 1 here. Okay, or you can write 10 only, 10, not 1, it is 10. Okay, and here 1 4 5. Okay, so this is nothing but sum of digits only. Okay, it is not like we have to do the summation again, and the sum of digits of the numbers. Okay, sum of digits, so it is 10 only. Okay, 10. And here 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so all are different, right? So here if all are different, we are not going to return 0, we are going to return -1. Okay, there are no two numbers that satisfy the condition, so we return -1. Okay, done. And constant size is very large. Okay, 10 raised to power 5. Okay, and this nums of I value is also going to be very large. Okay, so it's not like we can do this like this. Okay, so let's suppose we have to run my two loops. Okay, nested loops. So first I fix I here, and then I start j from here to here everywhere. Then I fix I here, and then I start j everywhere, and just check if I is not equal to j, and then check the sum. Okay, and after checking the sum, okay, again I'm running one loop inside. Okay, to check the sum of this. So definitely my time complex is going to be very very large. Okay, so n for I, then there is n for j. Okay, I'm running j again and again. Okay, and then after that I have to find this here sum of digits. So here you may take n. Okay, if you just convert it to string and then run it. Okay, if it is very large, or you can take log n. Okay, so here time compressor is going to be very large. Okay, so definitely we are not going to pass the solution with these constants. Okay, so now how I'm going to solve this? So it's very simple, just create one map. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a map. Okay, and in that map I'm just going to store 9. Okay, so this is a key, I'm going to take this as key, and this key is there at 0 index. Okay, then 7 key is not available, so I'm going to store 7 at 1 index. Okay, 7, I'm storing the index here. Okay, then 3 6, sum is 9, and 9 is at 2 index. So here 9 key is already there, so here I'm adding 2. Okay, then 4 is occurring for first time at indices 3 0 1 2 3. Okay, and then 7 is occurring again at indices 4. Okay, so here this is nothing but my key is going to be of integer type, and these are values are going to store indices. Okay, so I can say that this is nothing but a list of integers. Okay, so this is what we need to do. All right, once this is done, then I'm going to do here, then I'm going to just iterate over all the keys one by one. Okay, so this process is going to take off and time complexity. Just Okay, all right. Now once this is done, okay, and if you calculate the sum as well, okay, in this process you are going to calculate the sum of these two as well. So definitely it's going to take log of n for that one. Okay, n into log of n. Okay, n for iterating and log n for calculating the sum of digits. Okay, and then I'm storing in map. Okay, so n into log n, as of now this is my time complexity. Okay, so once this is done, then after that I'm just going to iterate over all the keys. Okay, so for that for a particular key I will check the number of values. Okay, so if it is greater than or equal to 2, then only we can form a pair, right? We can have I and j. Okay, so I'm not going to check this because there is just a single sum for, right? I'm not going to check this, so I will check this 9 7. Okay, so here we have indices like 0, then 2. Okay, so 0 sum is at 0 what is 1 8, number is 1 8. Okay, and at 2 number is 36. So what I'm going to do, uh 18 and 36 now. Okay, so I will just calculate the sum of these two. I will get 54. Okay, and then 1 and 4 here I will get the sum as 50. Okay, I will return the maximum. Okay, 54 here, that's it. But let's suppose if instead of 0 2 here I am storing, let's say, a few more indices like say 6 and 7 and 9. 9 is the sum of, let's say, I have, there is one number 18, okay, whose sum is 9. Then there is one number 27, then there is one number 81, and there is one number, let's say 45. Okay, so let's suppose that this is at 0 indices, this is at 2 indices, this is 1 indices, this is 3 indices. Okay, so now in this case we have to just pick the two numbers na? Okay, we have to just pick two numbers and do the summation. Okay, so for this 9, what are the two numbers that I'm going to pick? I'm going to pick the max numbers 81 and 45 because this is going to give me the max sum. Okay, so I will sort these indices based on the numbers. Okay, so that part is also going to take log of n time complexity. Okay, this portion also. Okay, so overall time complexity for this problem, the approach that I'm going to use, okay, is going to be n into log n. Okay, so now let's write the code. Okay, and then you guys will get a better understanding. Okay, so but you guys are clear, right, what we need to do? Okay, now let's move to the coding part. All right, so here let me just maximize it. So here what we need to do, okay, so first of all, simply just calculate the length of my nums array. Okay, so here you can write int n is equal to uh, nums dot length. Okay, done, right? And here okay, one more thing, 36, let's suppose you want to find the sum of digits of 36. So how you can do that? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm creating one variable sum and I'm going to set that to 0. Okay, and then this is my number, let's say x. Okay, so I'm going to run one while loop while my x is greater than 0. Okay, I'm going to run this while loop. Okay, and inside this what I'm going to do here, I'm going to update sum as sum plus. Okay, and here x modulus with 10. This is what first thing I'm going to do. So what is a 36 modulus 10? 36 modulus 10. Okay, what is that? So it is nothing but 6, right? Right, so here sum is 6. As of now sum is 6 here. Okay, then after that I'm just going to operate this 36 as x is equal to x divided by 10. So if I divide this 36 with 10, okay, what is the remainder, what is the here value I'm going to get? I will get 3 only, right? So 30, so 6 is my remainder. Okay, so this and 6 or 3 is a divisor. Okay, so here I'm just going to write 3. Okay, so next time my number is 3. Okay, then after that I'm just going to divide 3 with 10. Okay, 3 with the 10 here. Okay, so I will get what? I will get 3. Okay, so here 6 plus 3 I will get sum as 9. Okay, so this is a very simple way, okay, to calculate the sum. Okay, so here I'm just going to write one function to check the sum. Okay, private int check sum. Okay, and here I'm just going to pass a number int x. Okay, so here int sum is equal to 0, and then run one while loop while x is greater than 0. Okay, and here second, while x is greater than 0, and here after that what you can do here, okay, so here while x is greater than 0, so you have to update the sum as sum plus x modulus with 10, and then just divide this x with 10, okay, and from here we have to just return sum. Okay, so this checksum function is just going to return me the sum of digits. All right, so here let's create one map as well. Okay, here let's create one map of integer and integer. Okay, this is going to be list of integer, right? List of integer, and let's name it as you can say map only, new hash map. Okay, and then we have to group numbers by their digit sum. Okay, so for int, you can use for each loop. Okay, you can use for each loop, that we don't need this variable. Okay, for int num over nums. Okay, I'm just going to iterate one by one. Okay, over all this number I'm going to take key as checksum. Okay, this function is going to calculate the sum of digits. Okay, and I'm going to take that as key. Okay, done. This is done. Then here I will check if this key is already present or not. Okay, so map dot put if, and here absent. Okay, this key. Okay, if it is not available, then I'm going to create a new array list. Okay, because I am storing the values in the list of integers, right? And then in the map I will just get that particular key, get key. Okay, and for that particular key I'm just going to add in that array list, I'm just going to add the num. Okay, that's it. Okay, then there is one case that when we don't find any number. Okay, so we have to turn -1. So let's create one variable maximum, and let's start it with -1. Okay, int maximum is equal to -1. Then we have to iterate through the map and find the maximum of two numbers with the same digit sum. Okay, so for loop for list of here integer and here list. Okay, here you can write map dot values. Okay, and here if list dot size. Okay, if it is greater than 1, only in that case we can form a pair now. And then sort in descending order. I told you that we need the max values here. Okay, we need max 81, 41, 45 first. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort in descending order. Okay, so collections, I'm going to use collections dot sort. Okay, what I'm sorting list. Okay, and here in a reverse order. Okay, collection dot reverse order. Okay, in the reverse order we have to sort. All right, and then we have to take the two largest numbers. Okay, and then we have to update the maximum with that. Okay, maximum is equal to math dot max of maximum, and here list dot get 0 plus list dot get of 1. Okay, and then return maximum. Okay, now let's run it and see if the code issues. So the test has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.